Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about floods. Basically setting up your flood survival plan. All right, I'm checking my notes here. Make sure you get everything right here covered on it. Okay, so right now, in parts of the news is talking about the heat waves, like in California, hitting into the triple digits. And down in Arizona, they're hitting in triple digits. But there are other parts of the country where they're getting inundated with storms and flooding. Heck, the hurricane just came through Houston and stuff a couple days ago, and areas there got flooded. So hurricane season's still kicking off, and so even though you may not be on the coast, you'll be farther in, may get a lot of rain and a lot of flooding. So think about having a flood plan. It's not just for wintertime. It's not just for hurricane season. You never can tell when Mother Nature's going to dump a bunch of water on you or upstream from you, and you're going to get the flash flood coming down through your area. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, and please plant an indoor garden and an outdoor garden. Grow fresh food, because what's in the store is getting really bad.